Welcome back everyone. In this video, we're reviewing Nsave. Nsave is a London and Geneva-based fintech platform offering USD, Euro and GBP accounts to users in countries with limited international banking access. Launched in 2022 and backed by investors like Y Combinator and Sequoia Capital, Nsave aims to bridge the gap for freelancers, digital nomads, and users in high-inflation economies. You get multi-currency accounts and virtual and physical debit cards rolled out regionally for global spending. Also international transfers via SEPA, ACH, FBS and SWIFT, currency conversion within the app, and investment product access with US equities and ETFs recently launched. Also security protocols like KYC to factor off funds held by regulated partner institution in the UK and Switzerland, though not covered by FSCS or deposit insurance. So, you get access to foreign currency account, simple app onboarding and clean interface, supports fast international transfers, and backed by major investments. Now let's move on to the cons and risks. Inconsistent responses and unresolved withdrawal problems. Over 12 days later, the funds are still under review, which is support delays. Also funds withholding or frozen accounts, especially on larger withdrawals. Users also reported that frequent app crashes are there, missing features or sudden UI changes, limited clarity on where exactly funds are held, and about regulatory jurisdiction. It lacks integration with local wallets or banks, requiring workaround for some users like Pakistan and Bangladesh, and there are upfront fees, £69 per year reported, and clear fee structure for prioritization or card insurance. So, Nsave is a promising fintech solution for users in emerging markets needing access to USD, Euro, and GBP accounts, especially for receiving international payments and protecting against currency instability. Its investors backing new investment features and clean UX suggest growth potential. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.